I think in the past when I was renting, I didn't use fireplace that much, but now that it's colder and again, fireplace makes home so much more warmer, so much cozier. My name is Yuliya Nelson and I live in Groves neighborhood. I purchased to be built home because I like to be able to select items and like tile and type of doors myself, so it's more customized to my desire or my style. I really like kitchen because that's where I spend the most of my time, you know, eating breakfast, lunch, dinner, cooking, hosting. I have a friend, best friend I know for years, and she lives in that neighborhood as well. So I literally can walk from my home over to her home now. And again, having friends in the neighborhood make it so much more that special again to be living in the Groves neighborhood. My neighborhood sales associate was great. She has a great personality. It was great to work with her. When I had questions, she was always available to answer my questions, and she was always super nice about my concerns and addressed them all every time I had something come up.